Hi, I'm Mary from KindEdge.com, and I'm just popping in for a real quickie here to share one of the totems on my website, KindEdge.com. Totems I've explained in prior videos, and I've explained them on the website. They are objects that carry meaning to help you bring your big, tough, transformational goals, your personal passion, the thing you want to change in your life or start in your life, that difficult task. The totems help to bring your intentions, your wise mind's words into your daily life with objects, t-shirts, keychains, bags, etc. Because you need these wise mind reminders to catch you before the busy days catch you and before your old habits catch you. So one is a mug that says, build the thing you imagine. And that is the core of KindEdge.com. There is something in the back of your head that you wish you could do or build or you think is going to happen in the future. But if I can tell you anything, the future is never. Now is the only way to make your stamp on earth before it all ends. I'm dying and so are you. It is important to take action that is visible in the real world, and these totems help to remind you that in real life, in this day, the things that you have stuck in the back of your mind can become real if you take the one action and connect it to the next action, connect it to the next action, and then your life transforms. You become the author, you become the marathoner, you become the business owner, you become the thing that you think about in the back of your head with these types of approach. So I encourage you to look at the website, and you'll see a lot of these core concepts of KindEdge.com, but build the thing you imagine gives you permission and gives you energy to say, yes, that thing in the back of my head, even though it has nothing to do with my current job or my current soccer mom life or soccer dad life or current dedicated loyal person to this organization or that organization, it is something different, but it is the thing that would be so cool for everyone on earth because it's uniquely coming from you. And you have something really cool in the back of your head that if you could get your hands on it, you would make something that matters here on earth to others. So build the thing you imagine. Sit down and say, I want to take action, not in the back of my head, in real life, to build the thing I imagine. It doesn't exist. Nobody believes in it. It's only in my imagination. But if I take action, it will become real. It'll be a part of the new life that I want to live. So I encourage you to take a look at KindEdge.com for that and some of the other core concepts. Peace.